5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In this slide, I will explain to you what is convection. Convection is the mode of energy transfer between a solid surface and the liquid or gas that is in motion. The presence of good motion of the fluid enhances the heat transfer between the solid surface and the fluid. The faster the fluid motion, the greater the convection heat transfer. This experiment will show that the heat rises, warm air rises and cool air sinks. So the equipment we need are empty container, red and blue food coloring, and also hot and cool water. So, we are going to drop the blue food coloring in the container. You can see right away it is starting to sink. Then we are going to take red food coloring and just let it float on top. And now we are going to sit back and watch it happen. The red food coloring is just floating on top because it is hot. When it's hot, it is less dense. The blue food coloring is cool. Now you can start seeing it sink down. You can see the blue swirl down to the bottom. Why? Because it is more dense. Those molecules are closer together. You are going to have a little bit mixing. So, this experiment was achieved when it showed that the warm water rises is less than it floats on the top. The cool water is more dense, it sinks. That is true for air.
Explanation of air in convection. Air does the same thing. When air is heated, it will rise. The hot air becomes less dense than the cooler air around it. As the hot air rises, this leaves empty space at the bottom of the column of rising air. Cool air moves into the empty space and the heat will warm the air. The newly warm air also rises. As the warm air gets close to the ceiling, it loses some heat. Now, this air is cooler. It follows the cool air which is sinking or falling. The cool air falls and then is drawn upward again.
A convection heater is a heater that operates by air convection current circulating through the body of the appliance and across its heating element. This heats up the air, causing it to increase in area. Because of the natural ventilation, they are quieter in operation than fan heaters. Convection heaters offer a mechanically simple way to heat a room. This electronic heater provides quiet, even heat. with no moving parts and utilize natural airflow to distribute heat evenly throughout a room. Their enclosed design enforces safe operation. The operating system of a convection heater is based on the principle that heat rises. The air around the heater is warmed by the heating element, so it rises close to the ceiling. As it cools, it then starts to fall. At the same time, newly heated air is traveling upwards. This cycle naturally creates a current of warm air that is able to circulate through the space being heated. This process of circulating heated air is known as convection and is used in other appliances such as ovens in addition to heaters.
In many cases, a convection heater uses a fan to help the air currents move more rapidly. The fan moves the air across a heating element, warming it and then push it out of the heater. This helps the unit heat the space in a short amount of time, but can make it noisier during operation. Fanless models are available, but they heat less quickly or evenly and are more suited to smaller space. The two main types of heating elements that can be used in a convection heater are panels or coils. Panel heaters are often mounted on the wall, but coil models can rest on the floor and heat the space from the middle. Coils are often filled with a heat-conducting fluid such as oil, allowing them to remain warm for extended periods of time. The heating elements can be warmed with power from a variety of sources. Electricity is the most popular, but natural gas and propane heaters are also available. Convection heaters can be money-saving device, but caution should be used with children and pets, since some models can be very hot to touch.